Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust media and the call volume in these settings. So to adjust the call volume, all you have to do is go over into Phone app. Here you will be able to adjust it properly by pressing the volume up button. You will see the phone icon, which means it is the call volume. And now for the phone, you go to the settings. Now scroll down to sound and vibration, and here you have the media. Make sure that do not disturb is turned off right in the sound and vibration too. And after that, make sure to clean your speaker grills or the headphone port. So in this phone's case, it's actually the charging port. So here we have the first grill, we got the port, and we got the second grill. So what are we going to do now is we're going to restart the phone, and we're going to press the power button only. Now what we want to do is tap on restart and restart. We are restarting the phone right now, and I'll see you guys in a second once it is done. Now what are we going to do is we're simply going to go over and update our software as a last resort after the restart. So we're going to go to the settings, tap on INFINIX Note 60 Pro. Here click check for updates, and as you guys can see, my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.